Калифорнийский, давно не виделись!
Oh, Russian, hey, it's been a while.
Ё, ты чё, курить начала?
What are you talking about? That's literally my voice.
Что за... Американский, что с ней?
Oh, California, right. She developed this thing called vocal fry or valley girl accent. Sounds pretty weird, huh? You don't have to talk behind my back, you know.
Да помолчи ты, боже, жалко тебя. Что, это прям распространено?
Dude, just watch one interview with the Kardashians.
Enjoying the fruits of my labor
and how you get through them.
no labor
Офигеть.